everyone, I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet, and today I want to show you how to make the yarn over slip stitch. So this is a lovely little stitch that we use to create a rib effect. So I'm going to show you the yarn over slip stitch working in the back loops only, and yeah, it's nice and stretchy. It looks good for a ribbing, and let's just get started, shall we? So what we're going to do is we are going to, as the name suggests, yarn over. I'm going to insert into, so I'm working in the back loops only, so I'm going to insert into the back loop of my stitch. I'm going to yarn over and pull through, and then I'm going to pull through all the other 2 loops on my hook, and that is it. So we yarn over, we insert into the back loop, we yarn over, we pull through, and then we pull through all the other 2 loops, and as you can see, it creates a nice rib effect with that extra yarn over. Adds an extra 3rd loop to the stitch, a bit like a half double crochet. And once you get into it, it's quite easy to do. You might find that you have to twist your hook like I'm doing to get through those other 2. So I twist it around that way to get through the last 2 loops. And yeah, you just carry on like that. So you can, when you get to the end of the row, I would turn and chain 1, and then carry on doing yarn over slip stitch in the back loops all the way across, and you'll get that lovely rib effect that I showed you at the start here. And that's it really. So that's super quick little tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're going to give it a go. Another way to make a rib that doesn't take so long, because it adds a bit more height with that extra loop. So have a go and let me know what you think.